here, Curious recognizes a stalwart who has continuously contributed to make the communication industry more creative in whatever they do. Creativity, as you all know only too well, leaps across media, genres, art forms, and, well, even professions and industries.
Now, you may think advertising is creative, filmmaking is creative, writing, art direction, design, music, you know the rest. Have you ever thought about the fact that sports could be creative as well? Think about it, the helicopter shot, the dusra, the flying catch, the very, very late cut, fielding changes, batting changes, bowling changes, the reverse sweep. We have with us somebody who's not just a master of the game, but a master of creativity as well.
To present this award, may I call on stage. Thank you. To present this award, may I call on stage Puneet Goenka, MD and CEO of Zee Entertainment Enterprises, and living legend Piyush Pandey, Chief Advisor of Ogilvy India.
All right, let me introduce him. He made
Hi everybody. There has to be a change. We have seen some wonderful masters of creativity in the last 2 years. So we wanted to change. So this year we've got you Master Blaster of Creativity, Sachin Tendulkar. I've had the pleasure of knowing Sachin for a very long time. Probably his first ad was also something that we did together, and I didn't know that one day he'll be on this stage and I'll have the pleasure of being next to him. So may I invite Sachin on the stage.
We have to go. We have to go.
So these days people talk a lot and the stump, the microphone catches them. So this year we said we'll not give him a chance. Sachin will have a chat with our friend Suresh out here, and you can ask. And we have asked him to ask everything that we are not supposed to ask.
Thank you, Piyush. Thank you, Puneet. Thank you, Rajesh. Sachin, we have a selfie request.
Can I please have
We
a selfie with
request.
you? Thank you.
Have a seat. You can stand, sit. You're the master blaster. You tell us.
I'm happy standing.
All right, let's stand. Okay, Sachin, you're used to facing all kinds of balls in your life. High balls, low balls, bouncers, googlies, yorkers, wides. So I've got 6 questions for you in a super over. Good with it? Who's going to win this year's IPL?
That's a proper googly. That we'll have to wait.
We'll have
for
to wait
next
and see
2-3
for
days
another
and we'll
couple of
know.
days.
That I cannot indulge in.
All right, Sachin. What was your first experience of shooting an ad?
First experience of shooting an ad was way back when I was only 16.
16?
I was only 16, yeah. I had come back from Pakistan and we were shooting in Hyderabad. I was shooting with Azhar. At that time I didn't know कि shooting वगैरह करना है तो थोड़ा makeup लगाना पड़ता है and all that. So they came and they asked me कि तैयार हो? तो I said हाँ बिल्कुल तैयार हो. यहाँ तो बैट पैड की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अच्छे कपड़े पहन ले तो I am ready to shoot. So I said makeup वगैरह कर लेते हैं. I said makeup मैं makeup वगैरह नहीं करने वाला हूँ. मेकअप वगैरह हमारे लिए नहीं है, किसी और के लिए आप मेकअप करवा देना, मैं नहीं करूँगा मेकअप. एंड देन अजहर वाज स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी. तो अजहर को पूछा आपका मेकअप कर ले, तो ही रेडिली अग्रीड. हाँ हाँ मेकअप करते हैं ऑल दैट बट दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि भाई अगर एड्स करने हैं स्क्रीन पे दिखना है
तो
तो
makeup
थोड़ा
करना
बहुत
ही है।
मेकअप ज़रूरी है सो इट
Makeup.
वाज अ बिग लेसन फॉर मी बट पहला एक्सपीरियंस विल ऑलवेज स्टे विथ मी क्योंकि वो लाइन मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता हूँ जब आके मुझे पूछा कि मेकअप करते हैं चलो
What ad was it? Do you remember? In Rajasthan? What brand was it? Do you remember?
I don't want to get into brands right now, so
All
I'm
right.
not talking about brands.
Politically correct. Now, for a period of 2 years, 95, 96, I think, your bat did not carry any logo of any kind. Brand managers around the world were saying there's empty space there. You were the only one in the team to play without a sticker on your bat. Why did you do it?
There's a reason for that. When I just played for India, one thing my father told me, कि ना जो भी हो जाए, you will never promote tobacco and alcohol. And this was in the mid 90s when there were a couple of tobacco brands who got actively involved in cricket and they started putting stickers on the bat of various players found that attractive and quite a few played with those brands. मुझे भी अप्रोच किया गया था टू द एक्सटेंट वेयर पूरा टाइम मत खेलो जस्ट थोड़े मैचेस खेल लो वट एवर योर टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस आर विल एक्सेप्ट दैट पर मेरा एक प्रॉमिस था टू माय फादर कि आई नेवर प्रमोट दीज ब्रांड्स एंड वाई ओनली मिड 90s आई थिंक अभी ये पिछले डेकेड में भी 10-12 साल पहले एन अल्कोहल कंपनी हैड ऑल्सो अप्रोच्ड मी कि हमारी ऐड कर लो एंड I said, I'm not going to entertain this, so let's not go further into this discussion. ये हो नहीं सकता. I remember कि ये एक ऐसी phase थी मेरे life में because you know, in the mid 90s there was not as much money in cricket the way it is today. One international brand had also approached me at that stage. This was in the middle of the World Cup. I precisely remember we were playing against Australia. But they had approached me before that. They said that we want to have you exclusively with our brand. To which I had, you know, told them कि मुझे मेरा contract ऐसे ऐसे रहेगा and all that. So they said, this is unacceptable. ये terms and conditions we will not agree. To which, you know, we kind of parted ways then कि ये contract नहीं हो सकता. But during 1996 World Cup, in the dressing room when we were playing our third match of the World Cup against Australia, first two matches I was the man of the match, but I was using blank bat. There was no sticker on the bat. So the MD walks into the dressing room at interval and he tells me कि ये sticker लगा दो. I mean, he obviously didn't speak to me in Hindi. He was not an Indian person. He was a German guy. So he said, you know, why don't you put the stickers on the bat and our contract starts from now, all terms and conditions acceptable. तो मेरा कहीं ना कहीं तो दिमाग में ये था कि वर्ल्ड कप में मेरे रन्स बनने इम्पोर्टेंट है ये स्टिकर अभी लगाऊंगा तो थोड़ा बहुत सुपरस्टिशियस था I said I'm not going to put the sticker and that's why I played with the blank bat. I said whatever happens we'll discuss post World Cup. तो post World Cup बाकी और सारे contracts आए तो it went in a different direction. But the reason to play with a blank bat was because I didn't want to promote tobacco.
Okay. This is round about the time that you signed your WorldTel contract. In 1995, you were a 22-year-old, I think. What made you sign that contract with WorldTel?
Simple. मेरे लिए तो it was basically in 95, it was because of Ravi Shastri and Mark Mascarenhas who owned WorldTel. They came to me and they shared this idea with me कि ना क्या हम can we get your rights? You know, all the commercial rights and we'll manage everything for you. But till 1995, to be honest, we had had tough time figuring out कि कौन से contracts कैसे करने हैं sign and to have appointment with legal team or accountants and all that. That wasn't really our forte. That wasn't our strength. and I didn't want to waste any energy in multiple directions other than cricket. Priority was playing cricket for India and win matches, do everything possible under the sun, which would help the team. मगर इसमें I felt somewhere the message which was given by various people in various quarters, कि now Sachin is running after money, he's going to be less focused on the game. In fact, it was exactly the opposite, so that I could only be focused on the game and nothing else. And I think that was happening in India for the first time. I don't think कि ये concept था कि an athlete is signed by an agent and then they look after that athlete's commercial interests. तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत relieving factor था कि now I need not worry about getting more contracts or legal team से मिलना पड़ेगा and all that. That was all left to my agent and I was totally focused on the game. हमारे में एक understanding थी कि मेरे practice sessions में कभी he will not interrupt. And Mark kept that promise till he was alive. We unfortunately lost him in year 2001 in a car accident. But Mark and Ravi never ever interfered when it came to my practice sessions. I had the freedom to decide when I had to practice, and that was the kind of relationship that I shared with World 10.
All right, Sachin, we know that you've scored 100 hundreds in international cricket. You probably have endorsed more than 100 brands. Now, just like you would give inputs to your batting partner, when you're the non-striker, you'd advise your batting partner. Have you ever advised ad film director, ad film creative guy on how better to make an ad or how to make an ad better?
Thoda I ended up doing. As I shot more and more films, faced the camera, I became more and more confident, started understanding. In fact, अभी जब बहुत बार directors and cameramen वगैरह थोड़ा सा bluff करते हैं, उनमें understanding होता है कि shot का retake होना चाहिए. तो they will say कि नहीं focus ठीक नहीं था या shot नहीं ठीक था या dialogue थोड़ा अलग है. Forgetting that I've also been in this profession for 35 years, तो मुझे थोड़ा बहुत पता लग जाता है. But coming back to all these ads that we've shot and my contribution, I think तीन चीज़ें मैं बताऊंगा यहाँ पे. The first one was when I returned from Sharjah in 1998. There was this ad where it was raining season balls outside the stadium because Sachin is batting. मगर वो बैटिंग बैट के साथ नहीं थी, वो बैटिंग थी फ्लाई सॉटर के साथ. तो इनफैक्ट दैट टाइम प्रहलाद कक्कर stayed in the same building that I stayed, and Prahlad was shooting. So I told Prahlad कि ना मुझे ठीक नहीं लगता because nobody can be bigger than the game. और यहाँ पे अगर मैं फ्लाई सॉटर से मार रहा हूँ बॉल और वो स्टेडियम के बाहर जा रहे, it is like disrespecting the game which has given me everything in life. So मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम फ्लाई सॉटर से ये फिल्म शूट करनी चाहिए. We can use whatever, maybe a stump or whatever. It is still cricket, a part of a cricket field. तो वो stump से add किया गया था and it got a good response. The second one was with Shah Rukh, where Shah Rukh is holding a soft drink bottle in his hand, pretending to be Sachin, and the actual ad was where I am walking out to bat and Shah Rukh is actually holding a cricket bat and a soft drink bottle in his hand, and I take the bat from him and I walk out to bat because he's pretending to be Tendulkar to get to the soft drink. I told them कि इसमें थोड़ा twist होना चाहिए, and instead of Sachin taking the bat and walking out to bat, Shah Rukh should take the bat, I should take the soft drink bottle, and I should tell him, चलो अभी तुम जाके batting कर लो. So they loved the idea and they changed it there and then on the set, which is a rarity because इतना बड़ा ad, everything is well planned in advance. I mean, Piyush will endorse this कि एक बार कुछ freeze हो गया तो वो normally they stick to the plan. And the third third experience was with Mr. Bachchan, Amit ji. So we were shooting in Jaipur, and tabhi Anjali and Arjun was also there with me. Arjun was small. Arjun must have been a year and a half, 2 years old. And then मैं अमित जी के साथ बैठ के ऐसे ही हम बातें कर रहे थे. तो Arjun comes to me and he sits on my lap. He is eating an orange. Orange खा के हुआ. उसने happily अमित जी के कुर्ते पे अपने हाथ पोंछ लिए. And then he went away. And I'm like, अमित जी को sorry, you know, उसको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि वो क्या कर रहा है. Possibly जब बड़ा हो जाएगा तो he'll realize. So every now and then I remind Arjun कि याद है तूने जयपुर में क्या किया था अमित जी के साथ. But Amit ji was gracious enough, you know, to accept all that and just move on. It was, those experiences were unbelievable experiences.
Okay, Sachin, the last ball of the over. You're now 10 years post-retirement. You continue to be associated with brands, both traditional and new age. You're also associated with the Election Commission of India and UNICEF. Can you tell us quickly, how do you choose brand associations and partnerships today? What goes through your mind?
See, when I was playing cricket, the priority was to stay focused only on the game and nothing else. Well, I didn't want to divide my energy and, you know, dilute that focus. Magar when I retired, I thought it's better to start my own company, which is SRTSM, and, you know, have a solid team around me who share the same values, who go and meet various clients. They reflect my personality. They reflect what SRTSM is all about. And as a solid team, I think few important things that we consider. One is authenticity of a brand that I'm associated with, compatibility. I believe if there is no synergy in what we think, if we are not on the same page, if your ideas don't match, then the partnership is not going to succeed, it's not going to work. And for me, it is about transparency, trust, and having faith in each other and having one goal as a team. So if you're not going to have that, then it doesn't work. So I'm very choosy about what I want to advertise, and it has to be a meaningful partnership which impacts the society positively.
Bharat Ratna, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, thank you very much for being part of the Curious Theatre Awards. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All the best of health to everyone.